Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to play Xbox Cloud Gaming on Google TV. So let's start. This information you can get on microsoftxbox.com. Here, it's recommendable to check if you have the requirements for installing the cloud gaming. So you can check on install the Xbox app. So if your smart TV is new, you have already Xbox app loaded on supporting iCloud gaming. So you can check the apps if there appears the Xbox app. So also you can check the network. It's important to check the network connection. If you don't have a good connection on your TV, of course your gaming experience will be bad. So it's important to know it. And also here give you the troubleshoot this is choose that you can check on the app in case that you have trouble. You can check here and check if there is something that is failing in your device on your TV. So you can check here if there is no problem, well, you can continue with installing the app or reset your Microsoft account, etc. So also, as I told you, you have to select your internet connection. It's better to have a good connection for this. Okay, now you can access to your Disney C game add-ons. Okay, so you can download the content and then start playing that games. Okay, so here we will give you all the tips for getting a better experience of your Xbox Cloud Gaming on your smart TV. So only you have to select the one that you prefer and check each of them. Then if you need more help, you can go to support, your chat support. Here is a virtual agent that will help you in case that you have a trouble with your connection or with your gaming and you check the requirements and the requirements are good. Well, and you don't have the security for the gaming, you can start chatting with it, the agent, virtual agent, and will help you to fix the problem. So that is how you can do it, guys. I hope this video helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Please tell me if you can play the gaming on your smart TV and how was your experience on the comments. Thank you for watching this video.